In this video, we're going to talk about assigning tasks in the social push mobile marketing dashboard. So for the most part, Camp's Chicken gets a lot of great reviews. They have an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars. As you can see, Google My Business has got the highest engagement rate. I mean, that is a lot of Google reviews. But every once in a while, you can't please everyone. So here we got Kathy Sanchez. Now what you can do, first and last time I got the boneless chicken breast and it's so dry I can't even eat it. And that's not typical of Camp's Chicken. It's probably the most moist and delicious chicken I've ever had in my life. So let's share this with a team member, translate, or assign a task. So let's just look at sharing this. We can go ahead and copy everyone who needs to see this on the team. Share. Now how about let's assign this as a task. Let's go ahead and click this one right here, task, and we'll go ahead and assign this to Jerry. Send email notification, heads up, and go ahead and save that task. Or since it came in here twice from Facebook, we can task also the manager. So this is one way that push mobile marketing is making it easier for you to manage all your reviews from Google, Facebook, TripAdvisor, Yelp, Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever. This tool actually condenses it all into one tool where you can respond and manage it easily. Thanks for watching.